Good evening, parents. I'm the assistant principal tasked with overseeing the eighth grade graders for the school year. And this day, as we are faced with the COVID-19 pandemic, we are now faced with socially distancing. Students are unable to be taught on campus where they can meet with their teachers and friends face to face. We here at Eastlake Middle School all are aware of the social and emotional well-being concerns of our students, teachers, and families are facing every day. We have support from our school psychologists, counselors, and restorative practice coordinator, Ms. Quinn. We pledge to assist all our students and families' needs by continuing to offer assistance with completing free or reduced lunch applications. Deadline is September the 14th. We pledge to continue conducting student, teacher, and parent school site council committee meetings headed by Ms. Finley, our principal, that will allow all of the constituents a voice to help govern our school during this school year. We are now accepting new applications from parents and students to join the committee. Please email me if you are interested in joining. Next, I would like to talk about digital citizenship. In the upcoming days, our administrative team will be addressing this matter with all of our students during their PE classes. This is our biannual student behavior and academic expectation assembly. We will be addressing the importance of being good citizens while using any of their electronic devices. We will share with them the importance of staying focused while they're in class, having their iPads available and charged, and how important it is for them not to use cyberbullying as a joke or praying for attention because of the serious harm it does to other students and the amount of time that it will take to investigate each instance. Thank you for your time. And if you're interested in getting involved and getting more information regarding the school site council and the lunch applications, please email me at christiana.adams@sweetwaterschools.org. Thank you.